Close that door.
Freestyle shit.
Close that door.
Freestyle to a fuck nigga.
Hey.
Hey, close that door, bitch. Freestyle. Hey, close that door. Hey, close that door, bitch. I'm like, fuck the ops who do murders. Shit get real nasty. Fuck the ops who do murders. Shit get real tragic. Run up on a fuck nigga, let him have it. With that fucking automatic, and it's all black. And I'm strapped, and you already know that, bitch. All my niggas tote gas, nigga. We on the missions. All my niggas about money, bitch. Cause we gotta get it. We'll rob a bank, we'll run up on you. You ain't really about nothing. We'll rob a bank, we'll run up on you. Fuck niggas, stop bluffing. Fuck niggas, stop bluffing, bitch. You ain't getting no money, nigga. You ain't getting no change, All you fuck niggas change, You snitches all lames, And we bustin' at them ops, yeah. Moves grand, tango. Fuck the cops, and I'm in my zone, bitch, I'm in my zone. Skinny go long, and a nigga go strong. Send the bitches home after I get gone. Don't want sex, only want that. Gets my check, bitch, I'm paid. Fuck with a op, got to say. Blowing at these lanes all motherfucking day. Blowing on trees all motherfucking day. Yeah, we rollin' coke, and we rollin' out, man. Get it in, how young nigga live. Keep the shit real, you already know the deal. Spittin', fuck nigga what it is, yeah. Like, fuck the ops, we do murders, bitch. I'm like, rest in peace to LA, bitch. 600 all fucking day, bitch. Gang.
Fight!
Gang. I'm like, fuck the ops, we do murders, bitch. Fuck the ops, we do murders. I'm like, close that door, stack that money. Ain't shit funny, we'll bust at a dummy. Close that door, stack that money. Ain't shit funny, we'll bust at a dummy. Close that door, stack that money. Ain't shit funny, we'll bust at a dummy. No goofies in the crew, fuck nigga. No goofies in the crew, fuck nigga. Who is you? Who is you? We'll blast at lanes. Who is you? Who is you? We want money, fuck the fame, bitch. All day we getting paid, bitch. Stay in your lane or your ass will get rolled over. No, I am never sober. I'm that Glock holder. AK-47 on the back. I'm that toter. Yeah, bitch, you pay a toll across this bridge. Yeah, Moose Gang, that's just what it is. I'm like, close that door. Hey, fuck them ops. Bitch, you get blasted. Shit can get nasty. We letting them have it. You know how a young nigga go. I snatch your hoe, hit on the floor, and that bitch want more. Send that bitch at home, Cause a nigga get gone, and a nigga go long, Lil Snoop feel strong, like, fuck nigga, what you mean, bitch? I ball for the team, young nigga gotta eat, bitch. Ain't talking collard greens, nigga. Hey, close that door,
What?
Bitch. Hey, close that door, bitch. Hey, close that door, bitch. Hey, close that door. I'm like, fuck the ops, we do murders. Shit get real tragic. Fuck the ops, we do murders. We'll let a pussy have it. Fuck the ops, we do murders. Shit get real tragic. Fuck the ops, we do murders. We'll let a pussy have it. Hey, close that door, we got shells on the floor. Close that door, we got shells on the floor. Run up on me, I let this shit blow. Run up on me, I let this shit blow. Let a fuck nigga know. Had to let that fuck nigga know. We'll aim at your head, and we'll let this shit go. Leave a hole in your body with that big ass fucking shotty. Fuck them bitches who be acting roxy. I'm getting top at the party from a Tatiana. Bitch, I ain't with the drama. I will fuck your mama, bitch. Fuck the ops, we do murders. Shit get real tragic. Fuck the ops, we do murders. We'll let a pussy have it. I'm like, fuck ops, we do murders. Shit get real tragic. Fuck the ops, we do murders. We'll let a nigga have it. Let's please LA, man. Tease down to a fuck nigga all day. Fuck the ops, bitch. Hey, close that door. Hey, close that door. Hey, close that door, bitch. Close my motherfucking door, bitch. For real. Counting all this fucking money, bitch. Bitch.
Close that shit.